Hi, I'm Cara Graver at the Cobb Studio, and I'm here to show you knitting as meditation. So for meditating, we're usually trying to get ourselves into a peaceful spot. And some people pay attention to their breath and pay attention to breathing in and breathing out, and breathing in and breathing out. So there's a certain rhythm to that, and there's also a rhythm to knitting. I'm casting on right now, and I take some from my thumb and some from my finger and go through the hole and stretch it out. But if I say it, it takes a long time to verbalize, but if I do it, it's a little bit more like waves on the ocean. And I just repeat this and repeat it till the tail gets too short. And then I know it's time to knit. I only wanted to put a few stitches on these needles. So again, the best way to meditate is to do something rhythmic. First row is probably a little bit awkward. And if you're knitting a complicated pattern, it might not be too meditative, but you can certainly do simple knitting. And after a while, you don't really even have to watch what you're doing. But for the meditative process, I think it actually helps to watch. Meditation is all about being mindful. So you get to think about what the yarn feels like. And for this one, there's variegated colors. So you can see which color is coming up next. And I notice sometimes when I teach knitting, people often knit very tightly. And I always say that that is an indication that they're a little bit worried or nervous or trying to get something right. So you can knit more loosely when you're meditating too. And that just means you don't hold as much tension on the yarn. I'm Cara Graver at the Cobb Studio, and that was Knitting as Meditation.